Hi everybody, this is Roz with New World Finds, and I just want to go over quickly how I did my stripes on the side of my really adorable nursery dresser for the new Hello Baby transfer that everybody's going absolutely crazy about because it's just so cute. All right. All right, put our flower down. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm just gonna eyeball when I do my stripes, all right? And I can show you up close, I don't have any markings anywhere on my board, okay? I eyeball everything. I don't know why, I just do. It's just the way I've always done stuff. If you want to do, to measure out doing your stripes, I'll show it. Instead of doing it on my board, I'll show you here. So do like this, right? So you put your one strip down, and then you butt your next strip up, right? And then you do another one beside it, right? And then you take out your middle one. And then you do the same thing, and you repeat it all the way along until you've got even spaced, right? Okay, so basically that's what I do, but I just eyeball it. I don't have to be precise. I don't know. I don't need to be precise, but and there's nothing wrong with being precise. If y'all want to be precise, but I don't need to. So I'm just going to show you quickly. I don't want to go all the way up. Let's get it just a little untacky. Okay. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to line it up to the side. No, I want to do one on the side. So we'll go this way. I want my gold on the side. All right. So there's one. And I roughly want to go about the same distance that I just did. So about a little bit over an inch, maybe. All right. And I'm not going to go all the way up over because I don't want to go all the way to where my floral is, right? So next, I almost hit myself in the face with my tape. Okay, that looks good. And then maybe there. Okay. And then maybe one that goes all the way up. Oof. Okay. All right. So now we've got our tape on. All right. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be perfectly even either. If you want it perfectly even, I showed you how to do that. Put your tape in between each one. Pull it off. All right, now I forgot a paper towel. 1 second. I need my paper towel. Okay, so I have my, oops, pardon me, I didn't mean to hit that. I have my Redesign with Prima. Can you see that? Sorry, I've got a glare. Redesign with Prima little, I think this is the 1-inch brush, I believe. Okay, so I've already used it a couple days ago when I did the dresser and the other dresser. So it's still soft, it's still pliable. I didn't clean it or anything, but I'm going to just use my paper towel just to get it, you know, perfectly saturated and soft again from the wax. All right, now I'm using the Elusive Eternal. It's a great gold, and it looks super awesome on everything. Okay, so I just get a little bit on there. Can you see that? Not too much. And then I'm going to basically go from the outside of my tape and go out and just be soft. So I start heavy and hard by the tape and then soft moving my way out. Same thing when I get up to where the floral is. I just want to be soft. And you just kind of like you're blending. You want it to be soft. You don't want it to be hard. All right, and then same thing when you get to this one. You just blend up softly. Right? Same thing here. See, I haven't put any more onto my brush. What I've got on here is plenty. And then when you get up to here, you just kind of scoot your brush up a little. And that gives you that line fading. Can you see it? Looks pretty cool, right? So I'm going to do the same thing on this side, I think. All right, and then back over to this side, same thing. You want to just scooty your brush, and then you can go up and down with it. And then just fade it softly in. Okay, and then a little bit more because I got little bigger ones over here, so that's fine. All right, fill her in. And then since we stopped here, this is an empty space, we're just going to pretend like it's still there sort of, but not. And then just do our soft blending. See where it stopped? I didn't go past this line. I mean, technically that could be there, but, all right, so, and then I'll do the same thing on that side too. Just get a little bit more. A little bit more. And this one I don't want this last one to be really thick. Just soft. I'll do my heavy bit down here on the bottom. All right. Can you guys see it? Looks pretty cool so far, right? And you can see like I'm a little bit darker up here, and then it's a little bit softer here. So I just need to blend it in a little bit further. It's all good. Just use whatever is left on your brush. You don't need to dip more or then it becomes too dark, right? So I think that's pretty good. I think I've got it blended quite nicely. It does not have to be perfect by any means either, but you get the idea, right? All right, so now I'm going to take the tape off. Oh, stuck to my fabric there. All right. Oops. I caught the edges. That's okay though. Of the edges of the tape. When I didn't put them all the way down, and I went too far up with the brush, but that's okay. I think it still looks pretty cool and pretty. What do you think? Can you see all the different, see it's going shiny. But I'll take a picture of it and you'll see it's not as shiny as it looks like it is. But that's how I do my fading. You want it to just look haphazard. You don't want it to be perfect, right? It's pretty though, right? And it looks so great on this color, and it looks really good with that transfer. All right, guys. Well, I hope that was helpful. I'll see you later. Bye.